The ULTIMEA soundbar for TV with subwoofer is a product designed to enhance the audio experience of your home entertainment system. It promises to deliver high-quality sound with deep bass, making it a compelling choice for those who want to upgrade their TV's built-in speakers. Here's an unbiased review of this soundbar based on its features, performance, and user experience. Design and build quality. The ULTIMEA soundbar comes with a sleek, modern design that blends well with most home entertainment setups. The build quality is robust, with a sturdy feel that suggests durability. The soundbar is designed to be placed either on a TV stand or mounted on a wall, offering flexibility in terms of placement. The subwoofer is compact yet powerful, designed to be placed discreetly in the room to deliver enhanced bass without taking up too much space. Sound performance. One of the standout features of the ULTIMEA soundbar is its sound quality. The soundbar features multiple drivers that provide clear and detailed audio across a wide range of frequencies. The dialogue is crisp, and the highs are sharp without being overly bright. The mid-range is well balanced, ensuring that music and movies sound full and immersive. The subwoofer adds a significant punch to the low end, delivering deep bass that enhances the overall listening experience. This makes it particularly good for watching action movies or listening to bass-heavy music genres. The soundbar also supports multiple sound modes, allowing users to customize the audio output based on their preferences. Whether you're watching a movie, listening to music, or playing a video game, there's likely a mode that will suit your needs. Ease of use. The ULTIMEA soundbar is designed with user-friendliness in mind. It comes with a remote control that allows easy access to all its functions, including volume control, sound modes, and input selection. The soundbar supports multiple input options, including HDMI ARC, optical, AUX, and Bluetooth, making it easy to connect to a variety of devices. Bluetooth connectivity is particularly convenient, allowing users to stream music wirelessly from their smartphones or other devices. Setting up the soundbar is straightforward, with clear instructions provided in the user manual. Most users should be able to get it up and running in a matter of minutes, whether they choose to place it on a stand or mount it on the wall. Value for money. In terms of value for money, the ULTIMEA soundbar offers a compelling package. It provides sound quality that is significantly better than most TV speakers and even outperforms some more expensive soundbars in the market. The inclusion of a subwoofer at this price point adds to its value, as it enhances the overall audio experience. Positive points: sound quality, clear dialogue, balanced mid-range, and deep bass from the subwoofer. Design: sleek, modern design that fits well with most home setups. Ease of use: simple setup process and easy-to-use remote control. Value for money: competitive pricing for the features and performance offered. Negative points: bass control. While the bass is deep, some users may find it overwhelming or lacking in fine-tuning options. Sound modes: the preset sound modes may not cater to everyone's taste, with limited customization available. Remote control: the remote could be more intuitive, as some users report difficulty navigating certain functions. Conclusion: the ULTIMEA soundbar for TV with subwoofer is a well-rounded product that delivers impressive sound quality, ease of use, and good value for money. It's a great option for those looking to improve their home audio setup without breaking the bank. However, it's not without its drawbacks, and potential buyers should consider these when making a purchase decision. Overall, the ULTIMEA soundbar is a strong contender in its price range, offering good sound performance and features that will satisfy most users.